What's up? It's Katina the Broker. Today's video is how to best market your virtual cannabis dispensary business. All right, so I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to get started and hit the ground running fast. All right, step number one, you want to go to canva.com. canva.com. I'm going to click on my link in the description box because you will get a free trial to start Canva. Now, I love Canva because it's just the easiest way to create flyers, business cards, whatever you need, postcards, cards for social media, all of that. So let's first go to creating a business card. All right. Again, click on the link in the description box and you can get a free trial for this. All right. Now, why do we want a business card? First, let me just show you what I've created and what has been a very easy way for me to build a team of 16 within about 1 week. All right. So this is an example of a card that I created. All right. So on social media, you can simply text something like this. And I'll give you the information, the text that you should use along with this card, right? So let me show you another example, all right? Because I have somebody from Detroit, my first person signed up, and so, he wanted his to be a little bit different because he says everybody in Detroit knows how to get edibles and knows how to get all that stuff. So I need my card to really stand out. So, and bear with me today, y'all. I'm using a new screen recorder. So, I am using a new screen recorder and I just pray that I don't have to record this again. But, all right, so here it is. So now this person's from Michigan where it's legal in Michigan. So everybody already knows how to get cannabis products. So he wanted his highlighted with mushrooms. Now I'm going to show you how to create your card, right? Because you want it to be unique for you. You don't want to have yours looking like ours. So you're going to use the link below, go to Canva, get your free trial, and you're going to go in that search box and type business card, right? So I recommend you use a vertical card, not a horizontal. So I'm going to just look for some vertical cards. I do recommend, this is a pretty cool one, I think. So if you think this is cool, you click on it, you click customize this template. All right. So right here, you might want to change a picture. So I'm going to go to uploads, right? On the left-hand side is uploads because this is where all your photos are located. So I'm just going to grab any photo and move it there. So just that quick, I just held the mic, grabbed it and pulled it on over, right? So say I don't want this black background. All right. Well, let's change my name. So I'll put Katina Willis. So here you would just change your name. So you simply click on the text, right? So right here, let's just say virtual smoke shop business. Let's just say something like that. You grab and hold to move it up. If you want to make the text bigger, you highlight it and then you come to the top of your page. And then you see how it's doing that. If you want to move that logo, you just click on it and click delete. Let me try that again. I did it so fast. So if you want to move this right here, you simply click on it and you press delete on your computer. And I'm on a Windows computer too. So if you wanted to say virtual smoke shop, let's just say that. You want to say virtual smoke shop. Let's say that, right? Say you want to make this text bigger or stand out more. Again, I gotta show you. Again, it's a new screen recorder, so I don't know how to even show you the top of my screen so you can see I'm gonna just do a part 2, and I'm gonna use a different screen recorder so that you can see all the features. But so let's just say, so let's just type here virtual, start a virtual start a, again, anything, you just grab it and move it around with your mouse, right? So I'll say start a virtual cannabis, and then here just say dispensary, something like that. Now again, you see that it kind of rolled over, so you just go to the top and make it smaller, right? Just make your text a little bit smaller. That's it. Say I wanted to do that, right? So you get the point, but you could edit all of this. You could put your phone number here or your website here, and say you don't want this black background. You would come over here to the left. I cannot, oh, there we go. All right, there we go, y'all. You come over here to the left, right? You see all of these little features and functions. And again, at the top, let me show you. At the top, right here, you see all of this. You know, you could change your font here. You click on it, you could change, you get all these different fonts. You click on it, you could change the size. This is how you change the size. You see me clicking this plus sign? This is how you change the size, right? If you make a mistake, there's an undo button right here, right? So, yeah, if you want to, effects is one I use a lot too. So like for your text, say you wanted your text to be, say you wanted it to have an orange background or a red background, you could click effects, and then over here on the left, all these features come up. So you could click that and say I want it orange, right? And now you see you got that orange behind your word dispensary. So of course I don't want that, so I'm going to just undo. But okay, so now let me show you how we came up with all these cool backgrounds. Now over here we just clicked elements. It's all the way on the left. But so say you want cannabis edibles as your background, right? You can type that, and then you could look at photos or graphics. So say we wanted photos. Say we want candy and cannabis or chocolate, you know, so you would simply click on it. Nope, let's not click on it. We want to click, hold, and drag it over. Drag it over. So now you see how this background is different. So let's try it again. I'm going to undo. I'm going to show you again. Let's pick something else. Let's just say you did want, let's say you wanted a plant, right? Come here, you type cannabis plant or leaves. Let's just say you want cannabis leaf, right? So say, let's choose this one. This looks cool. We're going to click and hold, and we're going to drag it. And then you don't let go until you see that it's there, right? So now it's, nope. So now it's there. This actually looks kind of cool too. So right here, what I would do is I will put my QR code right here. You see the scan bar? Now, I'm not sure if it has a QR code. I'm not sure how the QR codes work here on Canva, but like now you would use the QR code if you were going to make a flyer and print it out. So you would just do a QR code. So say you're handing this to somebody in person. Now how we can Oh, so yeah, okay, so yep, you can with the upgrade on Canva, you can just add your link for the QR code and it'll work. So when you're in person and you want to pass this card out to somebody, you could just all you have to do is upgrade to Canva. I think the upgrade is like $14.99 a month or something like that, but I would at this point I want to change the color of my name so that it could stand out, or I want to add some type of effect to it, I guess. Maybe something like that. But like I really, really like these colors. Now, say I wanted to remove my background. Say I wanted to remove my background, you know, like Photoshop, my background on my photo. You would just click on it and then you come over to the top again and then you click edit image. Well, let me just show, I got to show you this part. This is really important. And a lot of people are going to really want to do this part. So, all right. So you click the photo, you click edit image, and then again over here, background remover. So a lot of your features are on the left-hand side. I'm going to try again to make another video. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for bearing with me. But this is how you can do it. So as you see now, so you see now me in the car is no longer there. So if you want to just make this photo a little bit bigger, click and hold. But yeah, that is how. So, okay, let me take this even further. So you would just save. You want to come over here to the left, go file, go save, right? So now it's saved, and then you want to download it. So now you come over here to the right and you click download. When you download the file type, you want a PNG, which is suggested. It's best for complex images and illustrations. So you do that and then you just click download. That's it, right? So if you're learning anything on this video, be sure to click that like button. I really appreciate it and it really helps the channel. All right. It's going to help a lot of people. So now let's take this a little bit further, okay? Because the whole purpose of doing that is so we can go to Facebook, right? So when you go to Facebook, I hope I don't have no crazy messages in my Facebook account right now. But when you go to Facebook, you want to go to, I'm going to find my sister. So then that way I don't just message a random person. Okay, so when you go to Facebook, it's kind of, so when you go to Facebook, you want to say, hey, join the movement. Hey, join the movement. I'm going to put this is the test. Let me move the, I got to move it down again so you can see what I'm doing. But I'm going to say, hey, all that time I was grayed out. So, hey, join the movement. This is a test, but blah, blah, blah. Right? And then you want to click on this plus sign and it says attach a file. So the file you just, I don't want to send that, but let me, okay. I'm going to just attach a file that I've had already on my downloads, but what do I got here? Oh, okay, so the one I created. Join the movement. This is a test, blah, blah, blah. And you send it to them. So that's pretty much it. That is it. Let's see here. So yes, this is training for the virtual cannabis business, like how to market your business. Also, it's like a Canva tutorial, because I promise you, Canva is going to be your best friend when you want to market a new business. So I hope you learned something on this video. I'm Katina Willis, and I will see you next time. I don't even know how to stop the recording. Told y'all to be patient. I don't even know how to stop it.